The manta ray is gonna be alright. You're great! The manta ray wants to eat. Let's give it some food. Ocean animals will protect you!
Reaches the disaster area. They must have a good idea of the situation on the ground as part of their preparations. Follow me, team. Momo, your task is to draw up a map of the disaster area.
Okay, I will first use a drone to capture images of the disaster. Captain Kiki, the map of the disaster area is ready.
Good job, Momo. Let us now set out with this map.
Oh dear, there has been a landslide ahead. The rescue vehicle won't be able to get in there.
Everybody, there is very little time to waste. Let us pick up the lighter rescue tools and run into the disaster area with it. Help me locate these rescue tools. Jack. Loudspeaker. Folding stretcher.
I want to bring these rescue tools with me.
Rope. Electric saw. Cutting pliers. These are the rescue tools that I want to bring with. Tripod. Oxygen tank. Medical kit. For the disaster area right now. We will arrive at the heart of the disaster area once we pass through this tunnel. Remember to stay safe. Let us go. Press here to run forward. Everybody, face down on the ground! An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! Oi! An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! It is very low here. Remember to crouch as you move forward. An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! We're almost there. Keep going! medal for you. Keep going! Rescue team, come help us. Ho-Ho's gone missing. Slow down a little, Miss Maymay. What exactly happened to Ho-Ho? I had told the children to head to a safe place when the earthquake happened. However, I realized that Ho-Ho was missing, and I had only been able to find his hat. Please do not worry. The search dog has a very sensitive nose, and we will definitely be able to locate Ho-Ho.